Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Envy Inspire, and now I'm gonna show you how to check the cartridges status, cartridges amount of this device. So if you have no cartridges, so you will see the message here. As you can see here, you have the bubble icon or something like a bubble, and by clicking on it we can check the estimated cartridge levels, and I have no cartridges inside of my printer, so of course my cartridges level are empty. But if you have, so you will see here how much cartridge you have, color or black and white. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.